What's up everybody? Welcome back to the stream block party. I am Mr. S. Today we're doing a little extra credit dinosaur project. We're going to be making trace fossils, making some pretend dough and making some footprints and leaf prints. These are called trace fossils. Here's how it works. You're going to need some stuff. You're going to need some flour, a cup of flour. You're going to need a 1/4 cup of coffee, like old coffee that's cold. You're going to need a 1/2 cup of coffee grounds that have been used, and a 1/4 cup of salt, and then a bowl and a spatula and a pan. All right, it's not a big deal. You're going to also need some dried up leaves or twigs. Toys work really good. If you have any dinosaur toys, especially if they have cool feet, then they will work really good for this assignment. So here's what we do. We put about half of the flour, so about half of the cup, in a bowl, okay? It doesn't really matter what order you add all this stuff. We're gonna add the coffee grounds. These are old, used coffee grounds, so just get the coffee grounds out of the coffee machine. And we're gonna add the salt, and then finally we're gonna add the liquid. That's the old coffee. This is like brewed coffee, like coffee that sat out all day. Okay, just a 1/4 cup. With your spatula, you're gonna start mixing all that stuff together in the bowl. But hold up. See how powdery it is? That means you need a little bit more liquid. So I just used the sink and I just got another 1/4 cup of water. Okay, 2/4 make a half. So I got a 1/2 cup of water in there, but I kind of did it at different times. If you keep working this dough, it's gonna turn into this. It's gonna look like sticky chocolate chip cookie stuff. So then you want to add a little bit more of that cup of flour, and then add some of the flour to the pan. Okay, you don't have to have a pan. You could just do this on the counter, but it kind of makes a mess. So the pan is very helpful. You want to get some flour on your hands, and then you're just going to be working the dough. I am not a baker. You can tell, because I'm not like doing it right. But that's okay. I'm just pushing the dough around, smushing it, adding some more flour, and eventually whatever flour that sticks to this big dough ball, it disappears. It gets like absorbed, okay? I'm gonna move some of the flour out and then just kind of work what I got here until it gets like sticky again. And then I'll add more flour until I work it all in, all right? Then when you're finally done and you feel like it's not that sticky, you're gonna take 2 or more of the dough balls here and just flatten them out. Don't make them too flat, but make them kind of flat. And then the fun part, you're gonna get your dino toys, you're gonna get your leaves and your twigs, your Lego, your other toys, and you're gonna press them firmly into the dough and make like an imprint. And you know, use what you got. It doesn't look that cool at first, but once this sits and dries, now you're gonna have to let it dry for like a day or 2 days. But once you're done and it finally is like hard, you'll be able to pick it up kind of easy. You might have to scrape it off, and you got your very own trace fossils. Pretty cool. This is the stream block party with Mr. S. This is your special extra credit assignment. And the last assignment have to do with dinosaurs. Oh man, I love dinosaurs. Now I touch it?
Yeah. No, that's not.
Okay.
You gotta like get it all together. You go like this, both hands.
Ew,
Both hands
it's sticking to my hand.
Yes. Because
Now what?
now you gotta get it all together. And you get some flour in there.
I don't have any flour. Add some more.
Flour on the other side.
Where?
Look at your flour.
It's not doing anything. What am I supposed to do?
Get flour over here. You see
I can't,
flour?
there's cookies stuck to it.
Yeah, you get it all in there. You mix it all in. I think it's a little too wet, is what I think.
Well, what do I do to me?
Well, you gotta like push it together.
What do I do? It's so sticky.
Here, add some more flour.
That's more flour. Emergency flour.